In this video, you will learn how to use the Model Views side pane to help you organize and manage a large number of model views in your project. To begin, open the Model Views side pane window. Here, all views for your currently open model are listed, allowing you to open, close, rename, and delete them directly from the side pane. Organizing views into custom folders is simple. Create a folder by clicking the folder icon, enter a name, and drag and drop your views to move them. You can easily access the properties of your view. Find views instantly using the top search bar. You can also locate views visually by switching to the thumbnail view. Keep in mind that the thumbnail preview is only visible if you have opened the view at least once. View the status of each view quickly with clear indicators. The icons show if a view is open, active, temporary, or shared. Let's add a view to favorites. Along with your favorite views, you can see all open and temporary views conveniently in the Quick Access folder. You can have up to 9 views open at the same time. You can also create general arrangement drawings directly from your model views. First, let's check the drawing properties. Then select Create GA Drawing. Click to open the generated drawing. To organize your layout, simply drag a view by its title bar toward any window edge to dock it. If you are using Tekla model sharing, you'll see both personal and shared folders. Drag and drop one or more views into the shared folder to share them with your team. Note that the share option is available only if the model has been shared using Tekla model sharing. The views will be shared after the next write-out. To stop sharing, simply right-click and select Remove from Sharing, or drag the view back to your personal folder.